Top 25 Microsoft interview questions and answers. Preparing for a Microsoft interview requires confidence, clarity, and strong technical and behavioral knowledge. These top 25 Microsoft interview questions with detailed will help you understand what employers expect and how to respond effectively. 1. Tell me about yourself. When answering this question, focus on your background, education, and relevant experiences. Highlight achievements that demonstrate problem-solving, leadership, and collaboration skills. Keep your response concise, professional, and aligned with Microsoft's values. Emphasize your passion for technology and innovation, showcasing how your skills can contribute to Microsoft's mission of empowering every person and organization. Avoid personal details unrelated to the job. This introduction sets the tone for the interview and demonstrates confidence and preparation. 2. Why do you want to work at Microsoft? Express genuine admiration for Microsoft's innovation, culture, and global impact. Mention their pioneering technologies, collaborative environment, and opportunities for growth. Share how Microsoft's mission inspires you and aligns with your personal values. Highlight specific products or initiatives you admire, such as Azure, Microsoft Teams, or sustainability efforts. Connect your career goals with Microsoft's vision, showing enthusiasm and long-term commitment. Employers want to see passion, alignment with company goals, and motivation beyond compensation. Provide a thoughtful, well-prepared answer. 3. What are your strengths? Focus on strengths that directly relate to the position. Examples may include problem-solving, adaptability, teamwork, leadership, or technical expertise. Share practical examples where these strengths made a measurable difference. For instance, explain how your analytical skills improved efficiency or how your communication abilities strengthened collaboration. Tailor your strengths to Microsoft's core values, such as growth mindset, diversity, and innovation. Employers seek candidates who are self-aware, authentic, and able to leverage their strengths to deliver exceptional results consistently. 4. What are your weaknesses? Choose a weakness that is genuine but not critical to the role. Explain how you've taken steps to improve it. For example, you might say you previously struggled with public speaking, but addressed it through training, practice, and feedback. Employers appreciate honesty combined with growth and self-improvement. Avoid weaknesses that raise red flags, such as poor teamwork or lack of accountability. Show that you possess a growth mindset and commitment to continuous learning, aligning with Microsoft's leadership principles. 5. How do you handle stressful situations? Share examples of how you stay calm under pressure by prioritizing tasks, maintaining organization, and communicating clearly with colleagues. For instance, discuss a project where deadlines were tight and how you manage workloads effectively. Emphasize your ability to stay focused, positive, and resilient while delivering quality results. Employers want to see emotional intelligence, problem-solving ability, and adaptability. Reinforce how you use challenges as opportunity for growth, which aligns with Microsoft's culture of learning and innovation. 6. Describe a time when you showed leadership. Choose a clear example demonstrating initiative, guidance, and motivation. For instance, describe leading a project where you delegated tasks, resolved conflicts, and inspired teammates to exceed expectations. Highlight the outcome, such as improved efficiency, increased collaboration, or successful delivery. Employers value candidates who can influence others positively, drive results, and foster collaborative culture. Keep the story structured with context, action, and result. Show how your leadership aligns with Microsoft's culture of innovation and teamwork. 7. How do you approach problem solving? Explain your structured approach to problem solving, such as identifying the issue, analyzing data, brainstorming solutions, testing options, and implementing the best choice. Provide an example where your process delivered strong results, such as improving productivity or reducing costs. Highlight critical thinking, creativity, and analytical skills. Emphasize collaboration by mentioning how you engage others in developing solutions. Microsoft values innovative thinkers who embrace complexity and challenges while driving progress with practical and scalable solutions. 8. Why should we hire you? Emphasize the unique combination of skills, experiences, and passion you bring. Highlight technical expertise, leadership abilities, and adaptability. Show how your goals align with Microsoft's mission and how you can contribute to success. Use examples of past achievements demonstrating value, such as completing a complex project or driving team innovation. Stress your growth mindset, continuous learning, and enthusiasm for Microsoft technologies. Employers want candidates who confidently demonstrate impact, motivation, and cultural fit within the organization. 9. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Show ambition while aligning your vision with Microsoft growth. Emphasize developing expertise, expanding leadership skills, and contributing to innovative projects. For example, you might say you see yourself leading a team, developing solutions that impact millions, or mastering advanced technologies. Employers want to see commitment, forward thinking, and alignment with company objectives. Avoid vague answers or unrelated aspirations. A thoughtful response demonstrates loyalty, planning, and the potential for long-term contributions to Microsoft's mission. 10. How do you prioritize tasks? Explain your method for managing workloads effectively, such as creating task lists, setting deadlines, and categorizing by urgency and importance. Share an example where prioritization ensured timely delivery and quality outcomes. Employers value candidates who balance multiple responsibilities while remaining organized and focused. Emphasize flexibility, as priorities can shift quickly in dynamic environments. Demonstrate how you communicate with stakeholders to ensure alignment. Microsoft seeks individuals who can efficiently manage time while achieving impactful results. 11. Describe a difficult team situation and how you handled it. Choose an example involving conflict, miscommunication, or workload imbalance. Explain how you actively listened, identified root causes, and promoted collaboration to resolve the issue. Highlight patience, diplomacy, and adaptability. For instance, describe how you facilitated open dialogue, encourage compromise, and achieve consensus. Emphasize a positive outcome, such as improved teamwork or successful project completion. Employers want candidates who can maintain professionalism, manage challenges constructively, and contribute positively to Microsoft's culture of respect, inclusion, and collaboration. 12. How do you stay current with technology trends? Discuss your commitment to continuous learning through online courses, conferences, certifications, blogs, or industry groups. Provide examples of recently learned skills or tools relevant to Microsoft technologies, such as Azure or AI. Employers seek candidates who stay proactive, adapt to rapid changes, and bring fresh ideas. Emphasize your curiosity and growth mindset, which align with Microsoft culture. Highlight how your knowledge helps you innovate and deliver impactful results in dynamic, technology-driven environments. 13. What is your experience with cloud computing? Explain your familiarity with cloud platforms, focusing on Microsoft Azure if possible. Highlight projects where you deployed, managed, or optimized cloud solutions. Discuss your knowledge of scalability, security, and cost efficiency. Employers value candidates who understand modern cloud technologies and can apply them to business challenges. Share specific examples, such as migrating systems to Azure or developing cloud-based applications. Microsoft seeks professionals who embrace cloud transformation, ensuring innovation, security, and value for clients and organizations. 14. How do you handle failure? Emphasize accountability, resilience, and learning from mistakes. Share an example where you faced failure but analyzed the situation, adjusted your approach, and applied lessons to future projects. Employers value honesty combined with growth. For instance, describe how a missed deadline taught you the importance of communication and planning. Show how setbacks drive you to improve rather than discourage you. Microsoft appreciates candidates who demonstrate a growth mindset, humility, and ability to turn challenges into opportunities. 15. What is your experience with data analysis? Explain your proficiency with data tools such as Excel, Power BI, or SQL. Highlight how you've used analysis to identify trends, solve problems, or drive decision-making. Provide a specific example of how data insights improve performance, reduce costs, or supported innovation. Employers want to see analytical thinking, technical skills, and attention to detail. Microsoft values individuals who leverage data to create impactful strategies and drive business transformation across industries. 16. How do you ensure effective communication in a team? Emphasize active listening, clarity, empathy, and transparency. Share examples where your communication fostered collaboration and prevented misunderstandings. Highlight tools you use, such as Microsoft Teams, email, or project management software. Employers seek candidates who communicate effectively across diverse teams and cultures. Discuss how you adapt your style for different audiences and encourage open dialogue. Strong communication ensures alignment, efficiency, and trust. Qualities highly valued at Microsoft and critical for innovation-driven teams. 17. What is your experience with project management? Share examples of managing projects from planning to delivery. Highlight your ability to set goals, allocate resources, monitor progress, and meet deadlines. Discuss tools like Microsoft Project or Agile methodologies. Provide an example of a project where you successfully coordinated teams, resolved challenges, and delivered results. Employers value organizational skills, leadership, and accountability. Microsoft seeks individuals who can manage complexity while driving innovation, collaboration, and efficiency across diverse projects. 18. How do you motivate yourself and others? Discuss your ability to stay motivated through goal setting, passion, and resilience. Share examples of motivating others by recognizing achievements, offering support, and fostering a positive environment. Employers want candidates who inspire teams, maintain energy, and overcome obstacles. For instance, describe how you encourage a struggling colleague, resulting in improved performance and morale. Microsoft values leaders who uplift teams, drive results, and create an inclusive culture. Motivation is essential for achieving long-term success in demanding environments. 19. What do you know about Microsoft culture? Highlight Microsoft's growth mindset, diversity, inclusion, collaboration, and innovation. Mention how the company empowers employees to take ownership, continuously learn, and contribute globally. Share how this culture resonates with your values and work style. Employers want to see awareness of the company's identity and alignment with its principles. Microsoft's culture emphasizes curiosity, respect, and empowerment, making it vital to show appreciation for these qualities during interviews. Demonstrating cultural alignment strengthens your candidacy. 20. Describe a time you deliver results under pressure. Share an example of a challenging deadline or high-stakes project where you performed successfully. Explain how you organized tasks, maintained focus, and collaborated effectively to achieve goals. Highlight the measurable outcome, such as meeting deadlines, exceeding targets, or saving resources. Employers value resilience, adaptability, and strong work ethic. Microsoft seeks individuals who thrive in demanding situations, stay calm under stress, and consistently deliver impactful results aligned with organizational objectives. 21. What are your salary expectations? Provide a flexible, well-prepared response by researching market standards. Indicate openness in negotiation while emphasizing value you bring to Microsoft. For example, say you're seeking a competitive package aligned with industry benchmarks and responsibilities. Avoid giving a rigid number unless required. Employers prefer candidates who focus on contribution and growth rather than only compensation. Demonstrating flexibility and professionalism builds trust and increases your chances of a favorable offer. 22. How do you adapt to change? Explain your flexibility, resilience, and growth mindset. Share an example where you successfully adapted to organizational or technological change. For instance, describe learning new tools quickly or adjusting priorities to meet evolving goals. Employers seek candidates who embrace change positively, remain productive, and drive innovation. Highlight your proactive learning and ability to encourage others during transitions. Microsoft values employees who view change as an opportunity for growth and contribute to building resilient, future-ready teams. 23. What do you know about Microsoft's products and services? Demonstrate knowledge of Microsoft's key offerings, such as Azure, Office 365, Dynamics, Windows, LinkedIn, and AI initiatives. Discuss how these solutions impact businesses and consumers globally. Employers appreciate candidates who understand the company's portfolio and value proposition. Highlight your personal experience with these products or professional exposure in projects. Microsoft values employees who appreciate its innovation and demonstrate excitement about its industry-leading solutions. Showing product knowledge also reflects preparation and enthusiasm for the role. 24. How do you collaborate across departments? Share examples of cross-functional collaboration where you work with different teams, such as engineering, marketing, or sales, to achieve goals. Highlight communication, respect, and adaptability in building strong relationships. Employers value collaboration that breaks silos, promotes creativity, and delivers impactful results. Microsoft emphasizes teamwork across diverse backgrounds and disciplines. Describe how you encourage knowledge sharing, align objectives, and ensure smooth cooperation across departments. Effective cross-functional teamwork ensures success in complex, global organizations like Microsoft. 25. Do you have any questions for us? Always prepare thoughtful questions that show genuine interest. Ask about team structure, growth opportunities, upcoming projects, or Microsoft's vision for the role. Avoid asking about salary or benefits first. Employers value curiosity, engagement, and critical thinking. For example, you might ask, how does this team contribute to Microsoft's larger mission? Or what qualities make employees successful here? Asking insightful questions demonstrates enthusiasm, preparation, and strategic thinking, leaving a strong impression on interviewers. Preparing thoroughly for a Microsoft interview requires demonstrating technical expertise, cultural alignment, and a growth mindset. By practicing these 25 common questions and tailoring responses to your experiences, you can confidently showcase your potential and stand out.